Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can change language on Capital One app. It's very easy thing to do, but there is a problem. You cannot change language on your Capital One app. There are no option to change your language. So how you can change your language? You can do it by change your language on your device. For this, first open settings from your device. After opening settings, look for general. Then from the generals, tap on general. Then search for language and region. After this, in this section, you will see your language. Then from here, select your preferred language. To select, tap on add language and select your preferred language, and it will be updated on your Capital One app. And that's it. That's how you can change language on Capital One app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips.